Red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry. Seashells by the shells, seashells by the shells, seashells by the shells, seashells by the shells. I want to become a fluent English speaker. Hypothetical village called Palampur. Hypothetical village called Palampur. I want to become a fluent entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship. Hypothetical village called Palampur. Hypothetical. 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 Red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry. So I will try this more time, okay, and reverse time also. Red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry. Oh shit. So after continuously practicing that, there is a so mumbling type. Okay, now it's next time. Okay. She sells by the shells, she sells by the shells, sells she by the shells, she sells by the shells, she sells by the shells, she sells by the shells is completely paining. Many kinds of transportation are visible on this road, starting from bullocks to carts, tongas, bogies, wooden cart down by buffaloes loaded with jaggery good and other commodities to motor vehicles like motorcycles, jeeps, tractors, or trucks. This village has about 450 families. Entrepreneurship, 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 entrepreneurship. So I want to tell you that if each in my mouth this pencil, I can speak English confidently, okay, because this pen is not a very weird, okay, but I can speak English completely fluently, and I will try to use my gesture posture and try to be confident in my public places. And today now is the time to speak about the Indian education system, okay. So Indian education system is completely despaired in our India. If we see the in next country they are studying about the technology, but in India the reality is very different. Okay, we are studied and only for the ratta, and most of the students are completely, they have the so many headache, okay, so because of the education system of India. So how is actually work or not, you comment below, okay.